Hey guys, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to adjust the angle on our Viewtron bullet cameras. Now, this applies to our Viewtron BNC cameras as well as our Viewtron IP cameras. The only camera it doesn't apply to is the LPR camera. That's a little bit bigger and it has set screws on it, which is a bit different than this. Let's take a look using this bullet camera behind me. This bullet camera is mounted to a Viewtron junction box, which I do recommend for all outdoor installations. However, you can also directly install these bullet security cameras directly to a wall or ceiling without the junction box. The camera is installed using these 4 screws. To adjust the angle and direction that the camera faces, simply loosen this set ring located at the base of the camera. That frees up the main body of the camera to rotate in any direction. You can also twist the camera this way. When you have the camera set in the position you want, simply tighten the set ring and you are done. Guys, I hope this video has been helpful. I think you'll agree with that set ring style mount. It's super easy to adjust these Viewtron bullet cameras in any direction. If you have any questions about any of this, you can reach out to me directly via email. I can be reached at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. If you want to learn more about all of our Viewtron products, we have IP cameras, AI cameras, BNC cameras, DVRs, NVRs, AI security cameras. We have a whole bunch of demo videos online too. Please visit www.cctvcamerapros.com/Viewtron. Thank you for watching.